Let's try to understand what is terminal velocity is and try to give the answer for this question. So before going to this question, you can go through that and let's now we have this ball, and that is, you can think it like this, somebody is holding it, yeah, something. So right now it is not moving, so it has only one force, that is a gravitational force, that is we call it a weight of the object. And as it is going to be go down, its velocity is going to be increased because there is a net force that is downward. It keep on velocity keep on increasing that in this sense. So as I demonstrate that one right now, only the mg force, look at that, one more extra force will cause when something, the object, move in the fluid. So look at it. So right now if you look at this carefully and look at the curve, now, when the ball is upward, there is only one force that is acting in downward, that is the mg force. That is a weight of the object that we call it. The weight, mass into acceleration due to gravity. Because it is not moving, so it have only one force. When it is in the middle of that, somewhere in the air, if you seen it carefully, some extra force has caused due to the drag in that. So right now there is when it is reaches to this point, it had mg amount is going to be remain the same, or the weight of the object, that is mass into acceleration of that. And there is some extra force has caused, if you seen it carefully, that is we call it a drag force. Why this is happen? Because when a object will move in the fluid, it causes a extra force in the opposite direction. Hopefully you experience it also when you go in a motorcycle, the air resistance that opposes you, correct, your clothes goes back of the side, so it opposes the um, so that drag force, this drag force, that is proportional, it is directly proportional to the how much the force, how much the velocity the object has. It is directly proportional to the velocity. So before there is no velocity, so right now there is initially there is zero velocity, so there is no drag force. As it is going to be accelerate, so velocity keep on increasing, so that because drag force is proportional to that, velocity will keep on increasing. That a time will come, so after that the drag force, upward force, and the mg force both become equal, so there is no net force. Right now if you look at this, net force is